In our Wagyu and sake tasting experience, we serve a mouth-watering 8-course meal where you'll try a variety of premium Wagyu cuts prepared 4 different ways. With each course, you'll also be served a glass of craft sake or a custom sake cocktail specifically chosen to complement the decadent flavor of A5 Wagyu beef. We'll teach you all the basics of sake, as well as what makes Wagyu beef so exceptional, so you'll leave feeling like a pro. This is a fantastic way to try some of the highest quality Japanese beef without having to choose just one style. Nowhere else could you enjoy delicious flame-grilled beef tongue, teppanyaki-style Wagyu steak, and traditional Japanese hot pot, all in the same meal. So if you're interested in Japanese Wagyu and sake, come join us for a unique luxury dining experience you won't soon forget.